Most traders think they lose money because of bad trades, bad entries, bad timing, bad risk management. But sometimes, the loss happens before the trade even starts. Imagine this. A trader sends XRP to an exchange. The address is correct, the network is correct, but one small detail is missing: the memo. Hey, quick note, markets like this are not easy, and a lot of traders struggle here, so we've added a small bonus for our YouTube viewers only. You'll find the promo code in the description. Let me show you why this matters. Here on the deposit page, when you choose XRP, you usually see two important things: the wallet address and the memo. Most beginners copy only the wallet address. They see the extra line, but they ignore it. And that is where the problem starts. A memo is an extra ID. It tells the exchange that this deposit belongs to your account. The address tells the system where the funds go. The memo tells the system who should receive them inside the platform. So if the memo is missing, the funds may still reach the exchange wallet, but they may not be credited to your account automatically. This is what makes the mistake so frustrating. You did not lose in the market. You did not even place a trade. But now your funds are stuck in a support case. Now you may need to contact support, send the transaction ID, confirm the details, and wait while the case is reviewed. Sometimes recovery is possible, but it can take time, and it is always better not to make the mistake in the first place. If this happens, you can reach out to our Telegram support channel. The link is in the description below. So before sending any crypto, always check these three things. First, the correct network. Second, the correct wallet address. Third, whether a memo, tag, or extra identifier is required. If it is shown on the deposit page, do not skip it. This mistake is easy to miss, but it is also easy to avoid. One extra check can save you time, stress, and a support ticket. Watch the next video and subscribe.